Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZone. My name is Kathy. I wanted to confirm what was previously stated by me in a recent video that I did on who the confidential informants are, as recognized by the state of Idaho in court filings. I've been quoted, it's been brought to my attention as stating that point blank, period, and the only confidential informants in the entire case are the members of the individuals on the family tree. That is incorrect. I never said that the only potential for confidential informants in this case are limited to the members of the family tree. What I said is the only confirmation that we have at this time and at the time that the video was made were the people on the family tree, because we deal with facts, not fiction, on this channel, and it is fine to speculate and to theorize. There's a lot of good theories out there about other potential CIs, but I would challenge anyone to go to the court record and show me where it is stated that anyone other than the members of the family tree are who the state of Idaho have come out and publicly stated called informants. I can cite to, as I did in the earlier video, the October 2023 order rendered by Judge John Judge. And here we see page 1 of the order, which was brought before the court on a motion to compel. The defense filed a motion to compel evidence that is cited to elsewhere in this order, where they wanted soup to nuts, everything turned over to them in discovery by the state. And in the course of this order, His Honor, Judge Judge, referred to the state's proclamation that the members of the family tree are informants, maybe not in the traditional sense that people think of informants, but the state of Idaho confirms that the members of the family tree are who the informants so far that we have any confirmation of in this case are. As I said in the prior episode here on the IndieZone on YouTube, is there a potential for other informants in the case? And I said, yes, of course there are. But as of this date, and the date of that video, the only people, the group of people recognized by the state of Idaho are the members of the family tree, and led thereafter to protective orders to ensure that their identities, and we've been told that this may be hundreds of people whose names are on this family tree who may not even know about this case, and now all of a sudden they are now, if their identities were disclosed, going to be associated with an extremely high profile, very tragic case in the U.S. And so therefore Judge did go ahead and enter those protective orders that do remain in place and were even referenced in the recent motion to suppress that was filed by Mr. Kohberger. Mr. Kohberger is asking the court to suppress all evidence related to IgG DNA. Unfortunately, like a lot of things in this case, that motion is under seal. And the hearing on this motion will be January 23rd, possibly the 24th of 2025, where Mr. Kohberger will be arguing that this evidence was illegally obtained. This will now conclude this episode of the IndieZone here on YouTube. I hope that I've been able to clear up any misconceptions about what my position is on this matter. I'd love to hear any of your comments. Feedback, thoughts are always appreciated. Thank you very much for joining us here today.